Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Testerup, a comprehensive testing tool designed to streamline your testing process. Testerup is an integrated platform that allows you to create, execute, and manage your tests in a structured and efficient manner. To get started, you need to first create a project in Testerup. This involves defining the scope of your project, identifying the test environments, and setting up the test data. Once you have created your project, you can start creating test cases. A test case in Testerup is a detailed description of a specific test scenario, including the preconditions, steps, and expected results. When creating test cases, it is essential to follow best practices such as keeping them concise, clear, and unambiguous. You should also prioritize your test cases based on their complexity, criticality, and business requirements. Testerup allows you to categorize your test cases into different test suites, making it easier to manage and execute them. Once you have created your test cases, you can start executing them. Testerup provides a user-friendly interface to execute your tests, and you can run them manually or automatically. You can also schedule your tests to run at a later time or on a recurring basis. When executing your tests, it is crucial to follow the steps defined in the test case and record the actual results. After executing your tests, you need to analyze the results and report any defects or discrepancies. Testerup allows you to create defect reports and assign them to team members for resolution. You can also track the status of your defects and verify the fixes once they are resolved. In addition to test case management, Testerup also provides features such as test data management, test environment management, and reporting. You can use these features to manage your test data, configure your test environments, and generate reports on your testing activities. To get the most out of Testerup, it is essential to follow best practices such as maintaining accurate and up-to-date test cases, executing tests regularly, and continuously monitoring and reporting defects. By using Testerup effectively, you can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your testing process, reduce costs, and enhance the quality of your products. In conclusion, Testerup is a powerful testing tool that can help you streamline your testing process and improve the quality of your products. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and best practices, you can get the most out of Testerup and take your testing to the next level.